Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to create a dictionary with key as first character and value as words starting with that character. So let us start this program. Here, this line creates a list of words containing 6 words which are apple, banana, avocado, berry, cherry and apricot. And the goal is to map the first character of each word to a list of words that starts with that character. Now, in the next line here, this initializes an empty dictionary, word dictionary. This dictionary will store the first character of each word as the key, and the list of words that start with that character will be the value. Now, in the next line here, this starts a for loop that will iterate over each word in the word list. On each iteration, the word variable will hold the current word being processed. Now, here, for each word, this line extracts the first character of the word using word to 0, and the lower method ensures that the character is in lower case, making the dictionary case sensitive. Now, in the next line here, this line checks if the first character already exists as a key in the word dictionary. If it does, it means there are already words in the dictionary starting with this character. Now, in the next line here, if the first character exists in the dictionary, the current word is added to the list of words associated with that character, and the append method is used to add the word to the list. Now, in the else part here, if the first character does not exist as a key in the dictionary, a new entry is created in the dictionary. And here, the first char becomes the key and the value is a new list containing current word. Now, in the last line, here, finally, the program prints the resulting dictionary. The dictionary that contains the first character of each word as the key and a list of words that starts with that character as the value. So let's check this program. So the dictionary with the first character as a key is A, and all the words that start with the A are in the list. So thanks for watching this video.